please just bear with us just a bit more since we're the last group.
Yeah. Oh my god. So only 6 groups.
Anyways, as you guys know, we're presenting about China. There'll be 2 acts to this sketch. The first one, I'll introduce the characters first so you know what's going on. Jeffrey will be the eunuch. Lorraine will be the palace maid. Contestant 1 will be Yinxi. Contestant 2 is Jiahui. Contestant 3 is Darren. And the Empress Dowager is Yi. During the Qing dynasty, the 5th Emperor Yongzheng took over the throne from 1722 to 1735. In the first year of Emperor Yongzheng's rule, in order to balance different powers in both the royal harem and the imperial court, the Empress Dowager Xiao Gongren orders a selection of all daughters of government officials for the royal harem. This is the registration day for the selection. The ladies brought their name tag queuing up outside the Forbidden City to register themselves to the eunuch. Then the palace maid gave an announcement to those who got shortlisted about the 3 stages exam that they have to pass before being selected as a concubine. They then followed the eunuch to enter the Forbidden City one by one.
这皇宫可不是谁想进都想进的呀，所以你想留下来就得通过3重考试。
好吧，大家跟我来。
好的，在你们桌子上都有一份文书，把它抄一抄就可以了。在规定的时辰内，大家都准备好了吗？是。开始。
selected as a concubine, one is not only has to be knowledgeable, but also have outstanding talent so that she can entertain the emperor. In the hall, the ladies are all prepared to do any performance during talent show within 30 minutes.
Coba. 皇上驾到。参见皇太后。参见皇太后。
典礼，你们都通过了初级考试，现在是文艺表演，就看你们的本事了。
还有啊。第一位修女陈修良，才艺是刺绣。
不错。
第二位修女神逼才艺是古筝演奏高山流水。China。
No, the drum is they hit the table. There.
第三位修女李欣表演惊鸿舞。
After that, it is now time for the final stage. The ladies are all lining up in a line and would be introduced to the Empress Dowager and Emperor Yongzheng by the eunuch. By looking at their physical look and referring back to their performance during the previous exam, the Empress Dowager and Emperor would choose few of them to be the concubine.
第一位。
臣参见王太后、皇上。
臣嘉靖知府吕钦撂牌子刺花。
第二位。
臣女陈秀良，参见皇上。陈秀良字写的不好，下一个是什么？
史部代郎陈秘书之妹陈修良，撂牌子刺花。
第三位。
手记陈写 这一位吧。
神臂刘排子刺香囊，
见王上王太后。
So those who did not get chosen will be given flour, while the candidates who are chosen to be the concubine will get a sachet. The selected concubine would enter the carriage to parade around the Forbidden City, showing the newly selected concubine is now entering the palace. Then they would be brought to their respective hall. The life in the royal imperial harem was not easy because they are competing among each other for the emperor's attention. Hold on, technical. That's the end of the first act. Next, we'll move on to the second act, which is the royal wedding.
Emperor go to Cining Gong to greet Empress Dowager.
皇上驾到！儿臣向母后请安。
快坐下。
谢母后。
After a while, the Minister of Astronomy tells the Emperor that it is time to pick the Empress to the palace. The Emperor then orders a eunuch to send a matchmaker to the Empress' house to pick her at the palace.
晚上时辰已到，该接妃子了。
来人，是时候接妃子了。啥？
After the Minister of Astronomy and eunuch leaves, the Emperor and Empress Dowager will get ready to go to the Tianqingmen. Emperor sends the eunuch, palace maid, and the matchmaker to Empress' house. Once they reach the Empress' house, the matchmaker will lead the Empress to the carriage and get ready to the palace. Once the Empress reached Tianjinmen, the eunuch will announce the commencement of the event.
皇帝请皇太后。那里是为侧福晋。呀！
Yeah?
The emperor and the empress will go into Qianqing for their wedding event. After the event, the emperor and the empress are ready to go to the Kunning Gong. The emperor and the empress reaches Kunning Gong for their first night. The emperor shyly sits beside the empress for a very long time, and the matchmaker starts talking to the emperor.
皇上，时辰已到，该歇头了。
Oh.
After the emperor moves around, the palace brings dumplings for the emperor and the empress.
Sang 子孙伯伯，皇上皇后，多子多福，龙凤吉祥。
The emperor and the empress will sit on the floor facing each other. Palace maid passes the cup to the emperor and the empress. The emperor and the empress then passes the cup back to the palace maid, refills it and pass it to the emperor and the empress. The emperors will go to the Ciningong to greet Empress Dowager. The emperors have to serve the Empress Dowager for 1 day to show the Chinese culture and manner.
侧夫君驾到！
臣妾参见王太后，谢王太后。
After finished breakfast, the empress is ready to go back to the Kuningong.
臣妾先告退。
Second day, the emperor will lead all the people to the Ciningong to greet Empress Dowager.
皇上驾到！
After that, the emperor will lead everyone to Taihe because on that day the emperor has a meeting to attend. Everyone will wish the emperor and the empress, and the emperor will announce wedding ceremony to the world.
请恭贺王上。
神恭贺王上。
That's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's all.
Just. And let's dance.